They made this adapter specifically for the Pocket 3. One other thing that comes with the KF Concept is the ability to use a GoPro-style mount. This is an adapter that they made special. Remember that Pocket 3 I was showing you earlier? They made this adapter specifically for the Pocket 3. So grab the Pocket 3 out. Now you'll notice that the Pocket actually has a short depth adapter, and that short depth adapter has a 1/4-20. This one is even shorter, so you can see the size difference on them. And this one is all metal. This one is plastic. It's got plastic arms. So this has an all metal adapter, and it's very, very easy to connect right here. But what this one has that this one does not, we were just looking at the KF Concept tripod, or any, really, this is the Arca-Swiss mounting. So you literally can take it, remove this Arca-Swiss mount. There you go. So now I have this mounted here. Now, is it going to be as sturdy? No, you want to use the 1/4-20 thread direct, but this is for convenience, because now I can come over to this. Remember, I can push the two side pieces and pull it out. The other neat thing about this versus the regular 1/4-20 that you have to put on here is I have a charging port capability on the back. So the all metal KF Concept has a little USB-C charger, which will pass through all the way up into your Pocket 3, which is really cool. One other thing that comes with the KF Concept is the ability to use a GoPro-style mount. So there's a lot of GoPro holders that you can get if you're doing run and gun. There's a lot of GoPro holders, but this KF Concept, one of the things they've done, they give you that clip in, they give you these flip out GoPro-style legs that then go into their mount, and you can mount to any standard GoPro accessory. So that's pretty cool. If you got a helmet mount, maybe you got a handlebar mount for your bike, motorcycle, this actually fits in there and it kicks out of the bottom. So it's got a 1/4-20 in the base, just like the factory one, but it has these GoPro kick out feet, which are really cool as well. And those fit down here into the GoPro base, which they also include a helmet base, or you can use anything else that you've got for a GoPro. So that's pretty cool.